Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you've been thinking about it, haven't you? The idea of having your own online business, being your own boss, setting your own hours, and building something truly yours. It's a compelling vision, and it's absolutely achievable. But before you dive headfirst into the digital ocean, there are some crucial things you must understand. This video is designed as your essential preliminary guide, laying out the reality and the initial considerations for anyone serious about how to start online business. A lot of people romanticize the idea of owning an online business. They picture passive income streams flowing in while they sleep. While digital automation is powerful, the reality, especially in the beginning, involves significant effort, learning, and navigating the often unseen challenges of online business. It's not a quick flip or a guaranteed path to instant wealth. Building a profitable online business requires dedication, strategic thinking, and perseverance through setbacks. Understanding this up front is perhaps the most critical first step. So, where do you actually begin? One of the very first steps to starting an online business is clarifying your idea. What problem will you solve? Who are you serving? This isn't just about picking an online business idea that sounds cool. It's about identifying a genuine market need or a passion you can build upon sustainably. Are you looking at e-commerce, selling physical or digital products? Perhaps a service-based business leveraging your skills, maybe content creation or affiliate marketing. The options are vast, from a low-cost online business like consulting to something more complex like a full-scale online store. Research your niche thoroughly and understand the landscape you're entering. Don't skip this foundational research. Once you have a clearer picture of what you want to do, the how comes into focus. You'll need to think about the practical steps to starting an online business. This includes things like structuring your business legally, deciding on your branding, and, crucially, planning your online presence. What platforms will you use? Will you need a website? What are the essential tools for online business you'll require, like email marketing software, payment processors, or a good customer relationship management system? Investing time in understanding the operational side early on saves headaches down the line. Many free or affordable tools exist to help you get started, but be prepared to learn and adapt. Now, having a great product or service means nothing if people don't know about it. Effective marketing online business is absolutely non-negotiable. You need a strategy to reach your target audience. This could involve content marketing, social media engagement, paid advertising, search engine optimization, or email marketing. Understanding who your ideal customer is, their needs, where they spend time online, how they make purchasing decisions, will shape your entire marketing approach. It's an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and refining what works. Building trust and providing value are key components of successful marketing online business. Ultimately, building a thriving online business is a journey. There will be moments of doubt, technical glitches, and marketing campaigns that flop. That's part of the process. The individuals who succeed are those who are adaptable, persistent, and committed to continuous learning. They treat their online business like a real business, not just a side hobby. They understand the importance of planning, execution, and consistently showing up for their audience. If you're ready to put in the work, willing to learn new skills, and excited about the potential for growth and flexibility that an online business offers, then absolutely take the next step. Start with research, define your idea, plan your initial steps, and prepare for the adventure. It's challenging, yes, but incredibly rewarding to build something from the ground up. If you found this overview helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into navigating the digital world. What are your biggest questions about starting an online business? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.